Okay guys, so today is day 2 of building the shorter walls on the greenhouse. It just got too late yesterday and I wasn't able to finish them, so I carried all of my cut pieces out to do them out here. That way I'm just building them out here and I'm installing them right away. I don't have to carry finished walls out here. And then these two I need to adjust because I cut them at the wrong measurement. So I just need to tweak those a little bit before we can slide them into place and get them installed. And then there's a couple places around the 4x4 posts where I need to chunk out some of the concrete so it's level with the earth and the walls sit at the right height. So that's what we're doing here today. Just kind of finishing up where I left off yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we got all of the shorter bottom walls installed. Let me show you what they look like. So here's what everything looks like as of right now. And then this back wall, like I said earlier, is going to be a solid wall. So we'll have to frame that one in. But for right now, all of the bottom walls are in. And those are going to have pallet pieces on the other side to make it a solid wall. And this way, no windows are down low to the ground where they can get easily broken. And I can put a bench up with storage and whatnot. But it's starting to get dark, so I think we're going to wrap it up for the night. I am really excited with how this is turning out. It's starting to look like a greenhouse. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching, and remember to grow your planted.